Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork yok. Start by slicing pork thinly and patting it dry to help sauces stick. Mix a simple marinade of soy sauce, sugar, garlic, and a splash of rice vinegar. Let the pork rest while you prepare aromatics and a hot skillet. Cook in batches to avoid steaming, then finish with a quick caramelizing glaze and rest briefly before serving. In this video, I will show how to make pork yok. Measure your ingredients before you begin to keep the process smooth. Use equal parts soy and a touch of rice vinegar, then balance with sugar and minced garlic. Keep optional sesame oil or chili flakes ready to finish. Use room temperature pork for even cooking and a hot skillet to develop a caramelized exterior that locks in juices and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make pork yok. Heat the pan until it shimmers and add pork in a single layer for an even sear. Flip each piece once when browned and avoid overcooking to preserve moisture. Remove cooked pork while you reduce the marinade to a shiny glaze, then toss the pork back briefly to coat. Rest the meat a few minutes before slicing or serving for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.